I want, before I give my remarks, to congratulate you, the Honorable Councillors, for exhibiting democracy. The Deputy Speaker, the Town Clerk, on behalf of the technical team, permit me to recognize the presence of the senior citizens, the Honorable Member of Parliament of this mighty municipality, Honorable Bashireke Namboze Betty, Honorable Amanio Shila Dravile, the Member of Parliament representing the district. I want to recognize the presence of the Secretary of our party, representing the Secretary General, Dr. Kanabi Moses. It is a picture of maturity, but I want to caution my fellow members of NUP that please, you have betrayed us. I cannot stand before this congregation. Whatever is going in this country, really, you have betrayed each other. I must take this. Many of you, as I pray, we should not have infights. We can have the competitions itself in the house, but when you sell your souls, yes, money may not buy it all. But that's that. I want to congratulate you, Mr. Kanga. You have not stolen the votes. You have won. The national platform candidates, the councillors, have decided to vote for you. And I do congratulate you. I pray that we move this council with maturity. I myself, you are well aware, I have not voted for you. But working with you doesn't mean that you should be my friend, because these are obligations that we must adhere to. So much as we are not friends, you are my speaker, and I expect you to behave like a speaker before you put go ahead and move this council peacefully. How would it be if you people respected me as your mayor, because I'm the people's choice? And you work for the people. I know it is true that a minister coming here, the sentiments are so many. But please, let's put our sentiments, our emotions aside, and we work for the people of Mukono. People of Mukono want to see services delivered to them other than the politicking. As I step down, I'll ask for a few continue. Even if I die today, still the world will do what? Will continue. So, the biggest top of my inception in the council is to congratulate Mr. Kanga. Congratulations. I did vote for you, but I must work with you for the good of this mighty municipality. Permit me to say, politics may divide us during the campaigns, but leadership must unite us after the elections. Our positions are filled with the strict recruitment plan adhering, and also coordinating and seeking support from security agencies to better serve and protect our community members. Finance and locally raised revenue, prioritize and support on-source revenue collection, implementation of council planned activities. I will ensure such revenues are not exorbitant, fair, just for taxpayers.